Hello everyone and welcome back. I don't have an oven but we have this toaster oven. The camper, like I said before, doesn't have an oven. So I'm going to put the toaster oven right here and I'm going to make a couple of baked potatoes, so I have one for tomorrow. And I figure if this, because it's going to get hot, so it'll get hot in here, I can turn the fan on and it should suck that out. I have two little, I don't know, they're chuck eye steaks, and I wanted to cook them on the fire. I don't have a fire grate up here, or down here. I forgot to bring one, so I'm going to cook everything in here and see how it turns out. The good thing about being here is I get here from after work, and with all the stuff I have to do at the farmhouse, and then going from work and being a 2.5 or 3 hour drive, I get a very short amount of time in the evenings to edit videos. Well, when I get here now, there is nothing to do. So it forces me to get caught up on my videos and get them edited, which I like. And the internet here absolutely sucks as far as download speeds go. I mean, I tried to load Facebook earlier, Messenger, because Zachary had sent me a tractor earlier today that was for sale in Cloquet, a Farmall C, and I looked at it on my phone, but I wanted to see it on the bigger screen. It would not even load Messenger. But the upload speed here is quite a bit faster than the farmhouse. So I have put up 2 videos on Joe and Zach's survival. I mean, granted they were short, maybe 5-minute videos, but that a 5-minute video in at the farmhouse would have taken 2 hours, 2.5 hours to upload. Here it did it in about 10 minutes. So I kind of like that. Now this is a longer farmhouse video, so I'm thinking this one will be around that 35 to 40-minute range, and it'll be interesting to see how long it takes for it to upload here. When I got back here after work, it got to about 62 degrees today, I think, something like that. But I had this morning I opened up the shades on this window right here, and I had both of these open over here. Well, the sun, the afternoon sun, and the sun sets on this side of the trailer. When I walked in here, it was hot. So I turned on the air conditioner, which I hadn't tried yet, and it worked beautifully. In about 20 minutes, I had to shut it off because it was getting too cold in here. And right now, it's warming up in here really fast. You know what's different with this camper compared to the fifth wheel is right now, you know, like I said, I got to the low 60s today, and now it's dropping down. It's supposed to get down to, I don't know, the mid 30s. And just like last night, it got down in the upper 20s last night. But now, I mean, it was so hot when I walked in here, but now I can feel it getting cooler down, like from my knees down. And with the fifth wheel, it has what's called the polar insulation package. So it's insulated more for colder weather. You don't get that temperature variation as much in the fifth wheel. Last night was the same way. And then I turned on the my electric heater and like put that on 72 or whatever, 70 I think when I went to bed. And then I popped the furnace on and kept that around 65. And it popped on a few times last night. It was comfortable, but it's just weird how you can feel it so quickly here versus the fifth wheel. I just put it on broil, so we'll see how that does. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Looks like a delicious dinner. And that is Camper Cooking. I will see you guys on the next video.